So as a quarterback, you got to make a ton of split-second decisions, left and right, whether you want to work the field, whether you want to work the boundary, what coverage it is. Actually, research shows that there's been a 20 to 85% improvement of the prefrontal cortex following your first chiropractic adjustment. Now, the prefrontal cortex is what controls your decision-making, how fastly you can make a decision. That's really important for quarterbacks and really just athletes in general. So help us help you find an upper cervical chiropractor near you to get the care you need.